Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to make a mermaid card with you guys, and I do this for like all occasions. Mermaid things are really popular, but then, you know, sometimes people have birthdays or stuff on holidays or whatever, and I wanted to use up my scraps, and this is a great way to do so. So you guys know I make these for every holiday, literally. I've made like this regular one. This one's really popular in my shop. I've made this Halloween one using up some scraps, and I made a Christmassy one as well. And Valentine's Day is no different. So I have my scraps here. I just punched them out using a circle punch. But if you guys are interested and you guys want to make these at home as well, you guys could totally just purchase the SVG file that I have in my KK printable shop, and it comes with the mermaid, it comes with the tail for the mermaid, and all these like layering pieces and stuff as well. So I will have that link down below. But let me get started, and I'm just going to do like a little process video of showing you guys how I put this together and how I make it, because I just love making them so stinking much. So let me show you guys, and I'm going to put you on like a little fast forward. And here we are, guys. Here is the finished mermaid Valentine's Day card. Isn't it so cute? I love it, guys. I need to cut out some more pink paper, but I also have some of this one, so maybe I don't need to. But we were going to try and make another one as well. But this one just turned out so cute. Oh my gosh, guys. I love making these, and they're the perfect way to use up some little scraps that you have laying around, because you could easily just cut out little circles out of them, and it always turns out so gorgeous. Let's make another one. This one might be a little different. I'm gonna wipe down just a little bit because my glue is making a mess today. I don't want glue all over the back of my card. But look at this, guys. I don't know what's happening with my glue, but it literally is going everywhere. It's like coming out of the sides, and I don't know why. All right, this one may need a different color of the tail because I will be using this one instead of the gold this time, but we'll see how it turns out. I'm so sorry, guys. I think that was blurry when I was recording before, so I may or may not have included it in this video when I was editing it, but you guys get the idea. So I just finished making this one, and I cut out one of these tails that's in like the same glitter color. So I'm gonna glue that on. Actually, before I do that, let me glue the inside first. Okay. I'm out of tape. Please hold. Just gotta attach the new one. I have like tons of like the refillable pieces, so I never really run out. It's always good to have backups, and I love this tape. Though I do have a new one I need to try that actually may be cheaper, but since I still have a whole bunch of these backups, I just haven't tried the other one yet. But I love these tape rolls. They're so convenient. All right, so let's stick this on. This is the inside. Okay. And then this outside piece, I like to stick down the tail first. That way I can line up the top afterwards, but this way I know like where the tail is, I guess, gonna go. So I always stick that down first. Oh, don't do that. Oh my goodness. Guys, I did not just do that. It's gonna stain. Oh my goodness. We're gonna figure out something for that, guys. Oh. All right, so this is gonna get stuck here. And there we go. So now we have two Valentine's Day mermaid cards. Oh, I love it. I think I even like this one better. I mean, this one's more like red and pink and gold, and then this one just looks more, I guess, pinkish, but I think it's because it's like the darker pink. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I had so much fun making these. I'm going to figure out something for the back here. I mean, it's not terrible. Maybe I'll try to use... there's like this eraser tool thing that like kind of sands off mistakes like that. So maybe I'll use that on that. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I shall see you guys in my next crafty video. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!